Shillong Trends.
We are meeting in Shillong. Brother, you are going elsewhere.
Sir?
This is our Assam's we use
along with Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snyobalang, we met Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in his office chamber in Guwahati. And the main purpose of our visit was to discuss the ongoing situation in Lapangap that's happening right now along the Assam-Meghalaya border. And as you know that there's been a lot of concerns about it. And for the last many days and in fact weeks, we have been trying to bring the different stakeholders together to resolve the issue and to find a way forward. And we had a very, very positive and a very constructive meeting. Other officials from both the state governments, including district officials, were present. And we have worked out some measures which could help us diffuse the situation. And our officials concerned will be taking steps in the next few days to try and resolve the issue. And through this particular message, I also would like to urge the people also and officials and all the stakeholders from both sides that we should work to make sure that we are able to resolve the problem. We should work in a positive manner, and we should work in a constructive manner and trust each other and work in such a manner that we can find not just a solution for the short term but also in the long run. And we have also decided that once the Assam government is fully in place in terms of all the different cabinet ministers, once the oath is taken place, that the discussions further on the larger context of the border issue will take place then. So we will take a call at that point in time for the larger context. But today's meeting was limited to the Lapangap issue, and we are very hopeful, as I said, that we should be able to resolve the situation, and we seek cooperation from all stakeholders at this point in time. Thank you very much.